Alright, this is the hardware they give you. Super annoying, they don't give you any directions, but it's not too complicated. The left side spacer is actually a little bit bigger than the spacer on the right. Therefore, you're going to use the longer bolt on the left and the shorter bolt on the right. So it's going to be the top engine mount, which is this piece right here. Right there. So this longer bolt will replace that. This one right here, you're actually going to use the stock mounting. That just comes out. It's going to mount right to there. We're going to go around. And on this side, again, you're going to use the stock engine bolt for right here. And then you have these bolts here. You're going to use the smaller bolt. And that's going to replace the stock bolt right there. Then if you come around here, you can see this portion right here, and that's where it's going to attach. Right there, and then we'll go through a more detailed video of that in 1 second. Okay, so this engine mount has been removed. This is the stock bolt right here, stock spacer right there. This is the bolt that we'll be replacing it with, so if you can see, it's a hair bigger. Alright, so next step, this side part here, I have it on kind of loose, so it's tentatively in the engine. So I wanted to keep that loose until I can go up here and attach everything. These directions are kind of weird. The only thing that I don't understand, so this spacer here is supposed to go here in between the guards, but there's screw holes right here, so those don't go to anything. There's nothing to screw in, so I'm not sure how that's going to work, but this does buffer, it makes a little bit of a buffer here. So then you have this spacer here, which is this would go right here. This bolt goes through that and kind of attaches it again. And then these two bolts here, see how they're a little bit longer than these two bolts? These are going to replace the speedo mount right here. It would be these two right here. So they're a little bit longer to account for this attaching to that same mount.